Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah Parsons here at Smart Money Academy. Don't forget to follow me right here on Instagram. And I'm going to tell you guys why support and resistance doesn't work. Now, disclaimer, I have another video explaining this. So if you're making millions of dollars of support and resistance, this video is not for you. Now, is it possible to be decently profitable and make money off of support and resistance? Yes, but if you clicked on this video, I assume it's because it's not working for you. And I'm going to tell you why, and why you need to switch to Smart Money Concepts, why you need to join Smart Money Academy, why you need to work with a community, why you need to work with a mentor that's going to tell you what you're doing wrong so you can get to your journey of financial freedom quicker. Okay, so can support and resistance work? Yes, if you want to say, maybe I'm not doing right. Okay, but I've been that person, with the taking signals from an MLM, doing support and resistance, doing all that, and I wasn't making any money. So I've been there, and that's the person that this video is for. Because I didn't even understand why it wasn't working. Like, someone taught me this works, it's not working, right? So I'm here to explain why it's not working. Okay, so here we have, some highs, some lows, and to me, back in my retail experience, this was 3 taps. And if it taps 3 times, you're going to sell the 4th time. Okay. Some of you guys may say it's 2 taps. You may sell here. Maybe it would have been profitable for your 1 to 2, but bear with me. Okay. So let's say this is my risk to reward. I'm going to put my risk to reward here. I'm going to give myself a 20 pip stop, and I'm going to use this equal lows my take profit. Okay. So I have a 1 to 4, and in retail, that's pretty good. I trade only 1 to 10s, but I remember people saying 1 to 3, 1 to 4 is great. So we're just going to do that here. Okay. So obviously this example is pin-picked because I'm giving you guys a recorded video, but I want you guys to know if you're watching this video and have experienced this several times, this is completely normal. Now, again, if you guys want to, let's say, well, I actually do 2 taps and it works. Okay, cool. You would have been taken out. Right? Now let's just go to imagine if we were, let's say, right? It all depends on the time you get on the charts, right? So let's say you're here and you go to a lower time frame and we're using 2 highs, 2 equal highs, right? So maybe you're not a 3 person, but this is 2 equal highs. So if you have a strategy that says, oh, I wouldn't trade that 2 equal highs because I know that it did these 2 equal lows and that means something, then cool. But I know, guys, I trade like institutions. I know a lot of you guys are really getting stopped up with retail concepts, okay? So you put your risk to reward with no idea, where you're going to put your stop loss. You just choose it off of randomness based off of, this is a smaller time frame and I want to trade smart money. So let me have like a 6 pip stop loss, okay? And let me give myself at least a 1 to 3. Okay, because if you put it any higher, like if you're looking for 1 to 2s, that's just very not good. Okay, so let's play that out. Okay, we got wicked out. Now, what's this excuse? Should we have used a 12 pip stop loss and then a 1 that's like not even a 2 risk to reward? Okay, cool. So then where do we put this? If we never had any history of price coming down here, I don't think we should just drag it down to here and assume. Because we still get stopped out again, you guys. And look, price goes down. So what did this is a liquidity capture. Retail knows that you guys are putting your stop loss up here. So price gets pushed up and goes down in the opposite direction. When I was trading retail, that's one thing I noticed. And that's when I really learned that there's a different strategy. And you guys notice this was 1 move up and then 1 push down. That is bank manipulation. So you need to learn how to trade like the institutions. Okay, so it's the same thing for trend lines. I hate trend lines. Like the word trend just drives me insane. We talk about structure. Structure is great. This is not structure. This is trend line because structure would be this high. Structure would be this low. This is order flow. This is not a trend. I will say price is an overall down structure or overall up structure. There's no such thing as a trend. Price goes up and down with these rectangles. Okay, so let's say this is our trend line. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Okay, I remember trading like this. If you're not trading like this and support and resistance is the most amazing thing and you're just, making millions of dollars, but you like watching my YouTube videos, great. but most likely you're here because you want to level up in your trading process. Okay, so let's grab our short, put it, I don't even know. I think I would wait for it to break this low. So let's give us a little bit more price. Ooh. Okay, so I'll be like, oh my God, we're still in downtrend. Look at that. Let's give ourselves a retracement and stop loss above this high. So that's a 36. Oh my God. I'm just gonna drag this in the middle of nowhere because I don't know what type of strategy, even support and resistance works for take profit. For a nice thick 1 to 3 with a 36 pip stop loss. Craziness. Okay, now let's watch it play out. Let's pause. Technically, we're not even tapped in. Let's pretend we were tapped in. Awesome. And this one, if we actually were tapped in, which we weren't. Now with support resistance, you guys don't have precise entries. Like, how do you know how high it's gonna go? What if it went up to here? So let's pretend we were in, you guys, and we hit take profit. Okay, we hit a nice, let's just round up to a 1 to 3. Okay, let's say we continue this trend. So for me, life is going great. We're gonna give it one more go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Let's also pretend price action was here because we don't know where price, like, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain why this doesn't work, honestly. Okay, so entry, that one his stop loss. Oh, it doesn't even come back. Okay, so what if we were here? But I'm telling you guys can't chase this order flow. It's not gonna work out very well. And it's, like I said, if this is happening, that's why you're watching this video, is because the banks don't trade support and resistance. So if you want to know more about smart money concepts, it's trading like the banks, and I will insert what it means to really trade like the banks with this book right here. This is the Wyckoff methodology. You guys can get it on Scribd. My free link for free 60 days is in bio. It tells you about institutional trading. Institutional trading is the fact that we have imbalances based off the ask and bid of price. You guys have to remember, this is not a game. It may have been sold to you in an MLM or on YouTube that people can get Lamborghinis with, you know, free simple course. So if you just want to learn about smart money concepts, maybe you understand imbalance, you understand the order blocks, but you're not able to find schematics and put it all together, I recommend joining my program, the Smart Money Academy. We go over this in depth every single day. So it's one thing to watch a YouTube video here and there, but to be consistent with a team and mentors that are going over this every single day for the next, let's say, year for you, you're going to be extremely profitable and see a massive shift in your trading. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys